I missed the last train.
2. Co-workers, for some special reason, are out late at night. When they have to return home, there is a small problem. He missed the last train. For that reason, his pretty and kind co-worker invites him to spend the night in his home. And with no other option, he agrees.
うわ、やばい。
どうしたんですか？
いや、もう終電がなくなっちゃった。
うちがこの近くなので、よかったら飲み直しませんか？雨だし。
Once at home, the girl tries to make him feel comfortable, showing a kind and carefree attitude. Can't help but notice how attractive she is, and worries because he remembers his loving partner and doesn't know what to do.
その格好誘ってるでしょ。
誘ってない。
She likes him. Then it begins to provoke him a little, but the right moment and the erotic atmosphere take us to the climax of this great story.
私でよければいいよ。
Great scenes all night until dawn.
It is a situational drama series NTR category. But wait, don't be scared. It is also full of romance and passionate scenes. This type of story has been around for more than a decade, but since 2018 it began to become popular, and several AV studios created incredible releases with this idea, but with their own style, combined with other categories and starring wonderful actresses. In some films, the protagonists are boss and subordinate. The actress can play either role, and sometimes the main scene is a hotel. No matter what changes this story has, the main theme will always be I missed the last train, without a doubt a simple but exciting plot.
うち来る？
Comment. Which actress do you like most in this series? What is your favorite movie with this theme? Or what series would you like me to talk about?
Support the channel. Subscribe and activate notifications for more AV. Give me a like and share.